Hello, welcome to another AQA exam question. This is from the summer 2023 paper 2 and it's worth 4 marks and it is a calculator paper question. So it says 28 is increased by 25%, 40 is decreased by 15%. We want to know which one of those answers is bigger, and you've got to show working out to decide this. So if you pause your video and have a go. Okay, I am going to show you how to do this with multipliers because I think this is a really useful method to learn for that calculator paper because it will help you with a lot of the harder percentages work. So we're increasing by 25% here. So if we do 100 add 25, that's 125. So we're going to be left with 125%. So if we do 28 multiplied by 1.25, that will give us 35. So straight away, we're at our correct answer. So with your 1.25 here, this is your 100%, that 1, and then that 0.25 is your extra 25%. So it's really useful to try and get your head around multipliers, I think, particularly for paper 2 and 3, where you do get more challenging percentage questions. If we then look at this decrease then, well, if you do 100 take away 15, that tells you you're going to be left with 85%. So all we then need to do is just do 40 multiplied by 0.85 on our calculator, and that will tell us our new value here is 34. So we can see then that 28 increased by 25% is bigger on this particular one because that's 35, whereas the other is 45. I will show you on the exam board answer there is an alternative way of doing this. If you do struggle to get your head around the multipliers, you can do it a different way, but if you can, try and get your head around this because it will decrease the amount of work you've got to do and it will also help you with the harder percentages. So here is the solution that the exam board gave. So they did 25 divided by 100 times 28. So they worked out that 25% was 7, and then they added it on afterwards. So you can do percentage increase like that if you prefer. And then they did 15 divided by 100 times 40 to work out that 15% was 6. And then they took that away to get down to the 34 that way. Doesn't matter if you want to do it this way. You're not going to lose any marks for doing it this way.